Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for a grammar class? Today we'll start our new chapter, chapter 7, kinds of nouns. So take out your textbook, chapter 7 and listen carefully. See, the most important thing, there are 3 kinds of nouns, and which are they? Common noun, proper noun and collective noun. You have to remember that there are 3 types of nouns: common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Now let us see about them. Common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places or people which are of the same kind. Now what are common nouns, children? See, common nouns are the names, ऐसे names जो किसी thing, animal, people और places को दिए जाते हैं, okay, which are of the same kind. Now what do you understand by same kind? Let us see the example. Girl, हमको गर्ल बताया है बट गर्ल का नाम बताया है? नो. सो दैट बिकम्स कॉमन नाउन. द गर्ल इज प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन बट विच गर्ल वी डू नॉट नो, सो दैट इज कॉमन नाउन. सेम काइंड मीन्स कोई भी गर्ल हो सकती है, राइट? ग्लास, डू वी हैव द प्रॉपर आइडेंटिटी ऑफ ग्लास? विच मटीरियल और स्टील ग्लास, कॉपर ग्लास, वी डू नॉट नो. और विच कलर, वी डू नॉट नो. प्लास्टिक. So, only glass, that becomes common noun. Boy, clock, pencil, park, these are all examples of common noun, okay? Now let us see further that what are proper nouns, children. See, proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places, animals or things. Now you will tell that common noun may be names of person, place, animal, thing, thrice may be, but no, children. See, here see the examples. Particular means we have mentioned, like country, but kaun si country? India. We know the answer, right? Girl, which girl? Seema. We know the name. So now that becomes proper noun. See, Indira Gandhi. India, New Delhi, we know the name of the city. See, Commonwealth Games, Himalayas, these are all examples of proper noun. अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ games होता तो common noun, but it is mentioned that Commonwealth Games, okay? And one more thing very important, did you notice? I hope you have noticed. See, proper nouns always begins with capital letter, okay? See, there are some examples in your textbook. I'll show you. Common noun and proper noun, okay? This pink box we studied, it is very important. Now, countries. Countries is a common noun, but जब बता दिया that which countries, India, Japan, China with a capital letter, then that becomes proper noun. Cities, which cities? Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur. Rivers, rivers is a common noun, but which rivers? Yamuna, Godavari, name of the river जब बता दिया, so that becomes proper noun. Players, players is a, this full list is common noun. And which players? Sachin Tendulkar, Saina Nehwal, okay? Pencils, pencil, a simple pencil, you also have, she also have, but अब किसके पास कौन सी pencil है? Someone is using Apsara, someone is using Natraj, that becomes proper noun. Days, I told that I will come one day. Which day I have not mentioned, but if I see I will come on Sunday or Monday, proper noun. Buildings is common noun. Taj Mahal, Red Fort is proper noun. Note that all proper nouns begins with capital letter. See, exercise A, I will tell you only 2 or 3, rest you can do by yourself. Now you have understood, right? See, boy, boy is a common noun. So हम boy को किसके साथ मैच करेंगे? We will search the name of a boy, राहुल. Okay, so boy को हमने राहुल के साथ मैच किया. Girl, now you have to search the name of a girl. Yes, here we can see Richa. Okay children, in the same way you will solve, very easy. Then exercise B, rewrite the following sentences using capital letters where needed. You have to rewrite means write again these sentences. जहाँ जहाँ आपको लगता है कि प्रॉपर नाउन है या तो कैपिटल आना चाहिए, दैट यू विल इम्प्रूव द मिस्टेक. ओके, rewrite the sentence using capital letters like Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai, name of a city, this should be in capital. Maharashtra, again this should be in capital. Okay, so when you rewrite, you will rewrite by using both the M in capital letter. Rahul Sharma came first in the race. What should be capital here? The name of the boy, R and S, right? So this exercise is also easy. Now you have understood the concept of proper noun. So wherever you feel that this is a particular name, so you will rewrite using capital. Again, this exercise is related to common nouns and proper nouns. So what are common nouns and proper nouns? You all know, we have understood. Like you have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. My birthday is in December. So what will be our proper noun here? December. So we will circle that. And what will be our common noun? Birthday. So that we will underline. Okay. So in the same way you will think. See, for example, read the second sentence. My father reads the Times of India in the morning. Now, father, but father का नाम बताया है? No. So father will be common noun. The Times of India is the name of a paper. It will be proper noun. Okay. And morning will be our common noun because it is not in capital, right? So in this way you have to solve. Now let us see what are collective nouns, children. Have you ever heard about collective nouns? Collect means when we collect something. Okay. See. Collective nouns are names of groups of people, animals and things taken as one unit. When we collect everything and keep it as one, that is the meaning of collection. In the same way, collective nouns means a group of names of groups of people, animals and things taken as one unit. See in your textbook, can you see here? A group of cows. When a group of cows is sitting, so what it is said? A herd of cows, right? Many ships taken together. When many ships are taken together, so do we count the number and say? No, it is said a fleet of ships. Okay? जब बहुत सारे को one unit में combine किया जाता है, that is collective noun. See, it is a very easy exercise. Here you have a herd of, just now we discussed cows, right? A herd of cows. A school of, now you have to find the answer. A school of, what it is? Fish. A school of fish. Okay, when we see many fishes together, it is said a school of fish. An army of सेना जाती है ना, an army of soldiers. Okay, so 3 I have told, the rest of you will do by yourself and tell me in the live class. Okay, then exercise E, your favorite part, crossword. You love to find out the answers in the crossword, right? So you have to find common noun, proper noun and collective noun all together, and you have to write in this blanks. Okay, so do the exercises on the basis of the explanation. Okay, we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.